Sir, paano niyo po kakausapin yung mga ordinary Filipinos na medyo nangangamba? Because if the Middle East crisis worsens, so patong-patong na yan, sir. Bilihin, gasolina. Paano po yung magiging approach and what do you want to tell them now?
Well, first of all, we are still, as I explained the first time I met with you, in terms of supply, we are in good shape. And not only do we have inventory in the Philippines, we also are awaiting some supplies coming in that are in transit. Ang pinaaral ko lang kung yung mga in transit, baka naman nandun sila sa lugar ng peligro. So, para maging accurate yung kalkulasyon natin. Pero hindi naman daw. Yung pagsara ng Straits of Hormuz, hindi kasama dun sa kalkulasyon so far. So, so in terms of supply, but that doesn't mean that we're not doing anything. Naghahanap tayo ng iba't ibang lugar na makapagbigay ng supply sa atin. We are talking to many other countries who we normally do not buy oil from. But hopefully we will be able to come to an agreement with them and that we will get further supply from them. But the real problem here that everybody is having to deal with is hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal ito. Hindi natin, kasi yung presyo kung saan pupunta, hindi natin how long, kung tataas man, tumaas na nga, gaano katagal ba yung pagtaas na yun? Ito ba ay pangmatagalan, permanent na ba ito? Ano bang mangyayari? Yun ang problema talaga. And this is the same problem. Nung nasa JP Morgan ako, pinag-usapan namin na matagal ito. Pati sila nag-a-analyze sila kung ano yung takbo ng financial markets. So ganun din ang kanilang sinasabi. The hardest part of this. Kasi kung alam natin kung ano magiging presyo ng langis, alam na natin ang effect. So makapaghanda na tayo. Pero ang presyo ng langis ay hindi lamang dahil sa supply, volatility is also a big factor. Pag hindi tayo nakakasiguro kung gaano katagal pa ito, even the supply will be affected. Kasi yung mga supplier ng langis, syempre sasabihin nila, yung nasa amin, hawakan muna namin. Baka maipit kami pag pinagbili namin ito, tapos tumagal ito, kami naman ang mauubusan. So they can be very conservative or less so. Depending again on the planning horizon, kung tawagin. If it's going to last this long, 1 month, 2 months, or 1 week, whatever it is. But we don't know. That's the problem. We do not know how long it's going to last, when the actual war is going to end, what the end will look like, and how it will change, how everything will change. Dahil kahit ano pang mangyari, ay talaga magbabagong sistema. And what will that new system look like? So those are the unknowns that we are having to deal with now.